Hey, Kathleen here. I am doing a review of this weaving loom kit. It says it's for 6 and up. My granddaughter is 5.5. We're going to give it a go. All right, so we're trying to do it with that little tool, and you can obviously do this with just your fingers. She did the first few with just her fingers, but she's trying to see if using this tool to hold on makes any difference. So, all right, so some things we're learning. This surface is very slippery, and so makes it hard. It's going to be best if it's placed on a surface that's got some grip. I might actually put some grippies under this. Once you get these on, the child can do these easily, but going through under over is a little more challenging. Gave a little instruction, and I'm holding it, which is going to help a little bit. Okay, so we got all of these loops in. We definitely used the crochet hook, right?
Right.
And that really helped. So we are now kind of crocheting off the ends, off the edges, so that it stays intact as a pot holder. And I wasn't sure if my granddaughter was going to be able to do it, but with a little instruction, she is. And it's probably kind of fun. There's 6 different pot holders in the kit. There are instructions in this book. I didn't find them to be the best on that part of things, so I did watch a YouTube video, and it became much clearer on how to do this. Okay, so definitely with the 5-year-old needed some extra help. Could be true with 6, 7, 8, 9-year-olds. It doesn't matter. Yeah, this was a really good project.